to pay any dollar for these yummy fruits. I could just sit next to the pretty river and feast on these fruits. Yummy! Ah! Ouch! Oh my god! Who is doing all of this? Oh no! It's a hunter! That arrow almost hit me! I need to escape! Oh my gosh! I escaped! But where can I go now? Oh, I remember. My friend told me that there's no hunters in the cities. I could go there. Wow! Look at that big Eiffel Tower. It looks so cool. I'll go down to have a closer look of it. Wow! It's so big. Wow! Oh, what an exciting music! I'm feeling dizzy. Oh, it hurts. Oh, I'm feeling radiation. Oh, I'm so dizzy. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it hurts. Ow. I'm feeling dizzy. Oh my god. Oh my, ow! It is way better being a human.